Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about a process through which we can easily create the business account for PayPal application. As we know that this application or this portal is very useful for performing all transactions within your bank or outside of your bank. Okay, so this time we are going to see like how we can utilize the people for a business purpose. Yes, we have option on PayPal in order to create the business account. So to create that business account, what we are supposed to do, that all thing we are going to discuss in this session. If you have not watched the previous session, then I recommend you to go and check out the previous sessions first, because there we have already discussed other basic thing related to PayPal, like how to create a individual account, what are the method of sending and accepting the payment through PayPal. So these things we have already discussed, right? So in this session, we are going to mainly talk about the sign up process for the business account. Okay, so what you are supposed to do here, like firstly you can search for the PayPal on any of your browser. So here I'm using search engine Google, so I can simply put it like this, PayPal, and then when you click on enter or submit your request, it will show you this page. Okay, so here we have shortcuts as well, like login into your PayPal account India, for PayPal for India, then personal and business accounts, PayPal business, PayPal account. So these are the shortcut, or this is the mail link for the website. So if you click over here, digital wallets, money management and more, then it will take you to the main screen, or you can say the uh, you can simply say that the dashboard of the PayPal. Okay, the main screen of the PayPal. Here you can see there are various options, like you can see one populated message is there, looking for a PayPal business solution. Whether you are a freelancer or a business, we are here to support you. Okay, so if you want to go and learn more about it, you can simply click here for PayPal for business. Okay, now if you scroll it down, you will find other options like what all things we can perform through PayPal. Okay, like shopping and payment, doing transaction, paying with safety. Okay, and then you can see the number of users who are using PayPal right now. Okay, so these are the all things, and you can also check out the user agreement if you want to check like what are the policies and user agreement for using this platform. Okay, fine. Now what we are going to talk about, we are going to talk about the sign up process. So for sign up process, what I'll do, I'll simply click on the sign up button. Then it will ask me for two options, either individual account and business account. So individual account comes with two features, like although features are there, but the differential point are two, like pay for your shopping worldwide. Yes, you can pay worldwide for your shopping using individual account, and get covered 24 by 7 from online and card fraud. Okay, so these are the things that you can do with individual account. Now why do we need business account? So for business account there are some advantages. You can see here, receive and send payments, suitable for individuals who want to receive payments, seller, freelancers and business. Okay, so if you want to receive payment from uh, your freelance, for your freelancing work or for the work you have done, then in that case you can utilize the business account. Then we have receive and send payment overseas. Yes, with the help of business account you can send the amount, or you can perform the transaction overseas as well. Apart from this, no setup and maintenance fees are required for the business account. Clear? So these are the benefits for which we are supposed to create the business account. Now what I'll do, I'll simply click on this next button, and it will take me to the page where it will ask me for some details that I need to perform for the I need to provide for creating my account. Okay, and also you can see this populated messages coming here, questions about people for business, we are happy to help. So here you can click on this chat now button, and it will provide you the assistant through which you can easily chat and you can get your solutions. Okay, so this is one of way, like if you are completely new to this platform, then you can simply use this assistant, PayPal assistant, in order to get the desired solution for your problems. Clear? Fine. For now, I'm just closing it because I don't want to go with the chat application now. I just want to create my business account. So I'll just tell you the steps that you can follow in order to create your business account. So first of all, we are supposed to provide the email. So you can see, enter the email address you will use to sign up or log in. So for that, I'll just put my email address for the now. Okay, I just provided my email address over here. Now I'll simply click on the submit button, which you can see here. Once we click on submit button, it will ask for the password, like what password you want to save. So let me give some password here. So I just provided one password for my this account, and the password should follow these things, right? Enter between 8 to 20 characters. Yes, your password should be of at least 8 characters and a maximum 20 characters. Then an uppercase and lowercase letter. There should be one uppercase, at least one uppercase, and at least one lowercase letter. A number or a symbol. Apart from this, you can keep either the number or a symbol for your password. Now you can see, you can read it here by clicking the button below. I hereby agree to PayPal's user agreement, privacy service, and acceptable user policy, and any other policies that are part of PayPal's user agreement. Okay, so if you are using this platform, then yes, for sure you are um, accepting all the agreement and the policies provided by the PayPal. So then you can simply click on the submit button, and it will ask you for more details like describe your business. So here you can see this icon, I button is there. So once you click here, you will see we need to know your business type to help to confirm your identity. Your business type should match the nature of business listed in the company register. If you don't have registered business, please select individual. If you have any public listed, private listed, or limited liability company, please select corporation. Okay, so these are the information that you can get from this I button or the help button. Clear? Then we have some types. So if I select this, you will see there are various types available. Okay, so let's see what all types are there. One type is individual, sole trader, partnership, corporation, government entity. So these are the all way. Okay, so let's say I want to create it for individual, but it is up to you. Like if you want to create it for sole trader, you can click here. If you want to create it for partnership or corporation, you can click on that button. So for now, for time being, I'm just clicking on the individual. Then it will ask for these things, which is, and let's say if you don't know about this thing, you can simply click here. So what it is showing, we need to, so this is the same thing which we discussed. Like if you don't have registered business, please select individual. Okay, so let's say in our case, if we don't have registered business, I can click here. Then it is asking for product or service keyword. Okay, if you don't know what is product and service keyword, you can simply click here. It will tell you, letting us know what kind of products or services you sell helps us to provide the solution you need to help your grow business. Okay, so for example, we can write, okay, you can see computer software stores. For example, there are many things like bookshops are there, right? Accounting, editing, digital counseling. So these are the all type of product or services keywords available. So you can select any. For example, camera and photo. Okay, let's say I want to go with this electronics store. Okay, so I can simply select it here. Then it will ask for purpose code. What is purpose code? Please select the best option that represents the nature of your export business. So from here you can click and you can figure it out, these points like travel, purchase towards travel, other travel receipt, construction service relating to the cost of construction works carried out, hardware consultancy, software consultancy implementation, database processing charges, repair and maintenance of computer, news agency service, other information, telecommunication, satellite, franchisee. So these are the many things that you can figure it out. Legal services, so all these things are for purpose code. So as per your requirement, you can select any. For example, I'm just going with this. Okay, it is up to you, like, because this is your business, like you know more about it, so it's better to do it by your own. Then we are supposed to provide the personal pen. Please enter your pen as it appears on your personal pen card. So here you can put some pen number. For example, if I put something here, so likewise you can provide your pen card number. And then we have CC statement name. So right now it is showing the wrong pen number because I have provided just a sample. Then you can see please enter up to 11 correct alphanumeric character. This name will show on your customer card statement. Okay, so here you can select your ID. And what are the rules? It should be up to 11 alphanumeric characters only. So you can select something here. And then the website, this is an optional thing. If you want to provide any website like please enter your business URL, for example www.businessname.com. So these are the all information that we are supposed to provide here in order to create our business account. And then you can simply click on submit and it will take you to further steps, and then you can create your account. Okay, so yeah, I think now we are good to use this PayPal account. So you can simply open this account, and then for the further steps I'll explain you in the upcoming session. So yeah, thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.